When I'm on stage, I'm passionate about my music, and that's what people seem to remember, and that's what they come to see me for. My music is eclectic and reflects my multicultural heritage of Southern Paiute on my mother's side from the Southwest, and on my father's side, my Celtic heritage from Scotland. People come to see me because they love my stories, my music about animal totems, the Aboriginal fiddling, and the passion with which I play and perform.
Stars shining above me, gentle breeze in my hair, embers softly glowing, coyote calls in the air. Tonight I will remember, tomorrow brings anew the path I will follow, knowing what I must do.
My music is fun and full of information. It's been called edutainment. I love to teach people about the commonalities between my heritage of Native American and Celtic roots. I love to connect with the audience and hopefully inspire them to follow their heart, honor their gifts that they've been given.
Like all journeys that begin with one footstep, and all stories that begin with one word, so does music begin with one note.